What's up, what's up, what's up? Your morning, your hello, you're sleeping, you better wake up. Welcome to Delisha Life and Travel. If it is your first time here, I am Delisha, a lifestyle and travel vlogger living in Guangzhou, China. And today, we are all the way in the northern part of China. I'm here today to make purchases for clients. Just take a look around this place and see all of these trucks that are here. If you are interested, hit me up on my WhatsApp business contact and let's do business. Let me get your trucks for you. I don't just do communication on phone with manufacturers. I take a trip there, especially if the client also wants me to authenticate that this thing is real. I take a trip there. These are all Howo products. We also have Shackman, a lot of 6x4 trucks, fuel tanks, mixers to mix the sand, the cement, everything. Whatever inquiry you want, I will give you every info, for prices and everything. Get your truck and start your business. Start doing your thing you want to do. I bring you direct factory prices. Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to Sinotruk, yeah.
Okay. I came here to meet her today because we have some transactions to do, to carry out. So thank you for the invitation.
Yeah.
So your trucks, how many days does it take for it to be produced?
Dump truck, mixed truck, we need around 40 to 50 days.
40 to 50 days.
Yeah. After we receiving your deposit for the truck, for the order, and then we will start manufacture.
Okay.
To make sure that the customer will get the new one, not truck in stock for a long time.
The deposit, how much is it?
Yeah, for you, 20% is okay.
20% is okay.
For the others, you need to 30.
You heard that, right? For me, 20% is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing.
From China, we ship from Tianjin port,
Okay.
Qingdao port, Liberian port, Shanghai port, and Yantai Longkou port.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Every month we have shipment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's amazing. All right, people. We catch you guys later. We gotta go talk business, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay.